What is going on, you guys? I have currently found a replacement for my favorite lens, and it really breaks my heart that I'm going to be like moving away from using this lens out in the field because it's done me so well over the past year. And the reason that is that it's really versatile for everything, but getting the best results out in the field, whether I'm shooting a wedding or just doing street photography, are actually coming from this new lens. And it is the RF 70 to 200. And yeah, this thing's a beast. It's been out for a while, but yeah, this thing has blown me away and has really been what I've been missing as far as focal lengths go, especially after I froze my really terrible that I picked up for 35 euros here 2 years ago, and it got frozen for another video. 75 to 300 millimeter full frame telephoto lens, and this is that replacement for that thing that's still on ice. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it, but it just stays there. Maybe it'll become a video later. This lens is awesome. And there are some photos that I've always wanted to get that I just haven't been able to make them look quite right downtown Helsinki. And it just blew me away how, for street photography, how awesome this lens is. Yeah, it's a bit like chunky and everything, but it's going to be my new go-to lens while in the field. I'm gonna carry this one lens, the 70 to 200, as well as the f35 millimeter 1.8 for weddings now. That's going to be my go-to setup, and I think it's going to be just fine. The amount of bokeh that you can create out of this by having the zoom all the way to 200 is better, I would say, than the bokeh that you get out of the EF 100 2.8, even though it's a prime lens, simply because you're zoomed twice as much with the RF 70 to 200, and it just does a really good job, and it gives you a little bit more versatility. And I've really enjoyed what I've got out of this lens thus far, and should be some of the photos that I'm showing that I took downtown. Weather has been really terrible here in Helsinki, so haven't been able to create as much content as far as photos go as I would like, simply because it's just been really bad outside. Like, nothing's been good. So biggest things I enjoy about this lens is that it's pretty lightweight, all things considered, what is going into here at 2.8, and then it's also got the zoom. Like, that's a large amount of zoom to stuff into a very small lens. And the older ones, the EF versions of this, were much larger, and I mean, even it's still very durable with, and like, not durable, but like handleable size-wise, even when it has the hood scoop on there. This is going to be the new thing that I'm going to be carrying around and going to be enjoying a ton while I have it. And then after that, I will probably be purchasing my own. Thank you, Canon Finland, for loaning this lens out to me, as well as some others. We're gonna have a lot more content since it just snowed, fresh snow, everything looks good outside. We're gonna be going out and taking more pictures and getting more content out for you guys. So this was the first look at this lens for me. I think it's done a fantastic job. I'm just blown away already, and I've used it for like maybe one day, and it's been awesome. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Daniel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the channel so that YouTube will show you future content on how to rock your next photo shoot. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.